Hey guys, today let's learn how to add a voiceover over on your Instagram Reels. So if you guys would like to go ahead and add voiceovers over onto the Instagram Reels that you created, in this video tutorial I'm going to teach you guys how to do this step by step. So please watch this video until the end to find out just how. Alright you guys, so what we need to do first is to go on over and launch the Instagram application. And I would like you guys to go ahead and create your own reel as you would normally. And in this case, I'm going to go ahead and log on first on my preferred accounts, and you could also go ahead and do the same as well on your end. But from here, just go ahead and tap on the plus icon. I'm going to go ahead and tap on reel, and I'm going to tap on camera. Now from here, I'm going to go ahead and record my reel just as I would do with a normal reel. And once I'm done, I'm going to tap on this button and let's go ahead and tap on next. Reel just as I would. Now from here, if you guys would like to go ahead and basically add a voiceover on here, we do have a few options of doing so. Over here, let's try to go ahead and swipe up and we should see these options. We could actually go ahead and add some clips, add audio, volume, filter, and effects. So let's try to go ahead and tap on add audio. And we do have the option to add some music on here, but that's not what we want to do. What we want to basically do is to use our own voice and add a voiceover. So let's go ahead and try to look at that. Let's see if we have that on the edit option. We don't. And of course, what we want to do next is to go ahead and basically tap on this music icon. So go ahead and tap on that music icon, and we do have this option called voiceover. Now tap on voiceover. Now you will have the option for you to record your own voice. I'm going to go ahead and tap on that record option right now, and it's basically recording already. But tap on this option again, and then tap on done once you're done, and that's how you guys can easily go ahead and add a voiceover on your Instagram Reels. And once you're done with and happy with what you've created, just tap on next, share, and that's how you guys could easily go ahead and add a voiceover on your Instagram Reel. I thank you guys for watching this video. Please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys learned something, and I'll see you guys on the next video.